how to change Facebook profile to digital creator. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to turn your profile into digital creator, you'll need to turn on professional mode on your Facebook app. So I'll show you how to do it in few simple steps. Let's get started. Open up your Facebook app. Now head over to menu on the bottom right corner and then open up your profile. So once you're there, tap on the three dots beside edit profile. Scroll down and you'll find turn on professional mode. Tap on it. Now tap on turn on. So once you've done that, you will need to hit next and then read all of the instructions and choose your default audience. So it is suggested to set it to public. So set it to public and hit next. Now read all of this public default audience settings and hit confirm. Now hit next again and now you can see that you are ready to start using professional mode. So that means now you go to your profile, you will be able to see that you have been turned into a digital creator. Just refresh it and then you can see under details you are a digital creator. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.